Many areas across the province remain in danger. People from flooded areas are still being rescued by emergency and disaster services. In the Theewaterskloof municipal area, 3 people lost their lives, including at Botrivier, where the storming waters swept a car away. It also cut off the N2 highway. Work is underway to reopen roads, most importantly to reach severely affected communities.
But that is dependent on our ground crews to get access to the areas that has been cut off. In particular, all our major roads, arterials, where people can't cross and where rivers has been flooded. So that's the most pressing issues, but also the repairs and restoration to our damaged water and sewage infrastructure where our pipelines has been washed away.
Humanitarian aid is critical, as many informal settlements and impoverished communities were hit extremely hard. Working closely with authorities in the Western Cape, aid organisation Gift of the Givers estimates that around 10,000 people are in dire need based on the requests for help it received.
Our team split into 5, where one team is concentrating on all the informal settlements in the Western Cape. Other teams are concentrated in the areas of Makassar, one team concentrated in the Overberg region, and we have a team in the Southern Cape monitoring and assisting the communities of George and Mossel Bay. But the numbers are still coming in, the calls are still coming through.
At Goliath Estate in Kraaifontein, around 150 families Tuesday received hot meals and basic necessities. 242 schools have been damaged by the storm, and children were unable to attend classes due to road closures. The South African Weather Service forecasts warm temperatures for the rest of the week, but another cold front is expected on Saturday. It is, however, predicted to be weak and will pass quickly. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.